Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 6. I haven't really done an actual review on this phone because right after I got it, I was in the hospital for 3 weeks with a staph infection, and then that staph infection, as you guys know, went to my foot. So I wasn't able to get upstairs to record any videos really, so I was doing most of my videos from my phones. So this phone didn't really get much of a dedicated video or anything like that, and I didn't really plan on making many videos of this phone. When I bought it, I didn't do an unboxing. I just picked this phone up because I wanted it. It was just going to be my personal, phone, and I wasn't really going to use it for much content. Well, I still want to do a review on it, obviously, because I do have one, and I know a lot of people like hearing reviews from different perspectives and use cases and that kind of stuff. And I've really come to enjoy this phone over the course of the past couple months. This phone I used exclusively when I was in the hospital. I didn't have my iPhone there. I didn't have my whatever other phone I had at the time. I just sold my S24 Ultra right before all this happened, so I didn't have that. But this was the phone I had with me in the hospital. This was what I was using, and it was honestly a great decision that I picked that up right before all that happened, because I was able to use this to watch YouTube. I was able to use this for all kinds of stuff. I had to do some stuff online to put in for my leave for work, and doing that all on this large screen was a lot easier than doing it on just a regular phone. And I just realized on the camera this wallpaper makes it hard to see on camera. I can see the icons a lot better in person than you guys can see them on camera. Let me fix that real quick. I'm just going to change it back to the default black wallpaper here super quick. Alright, there we go. So yeah, love the phone. The inner screen made things a lot easier. Battery life is pretty good, especially using it like this. I was doing some stuff in the car yesterday to order some stuff for an upcoming trip, and this worked very well. I really love the form factor of this phone. I had the Fold 4, I had the Fold 5, I think I even had a Fold 3. The last Fold I had was a Fold 4 because I bought it used on Plug. And just to plug them real quick, no pun intended, check the link down below. $10 off your order of $99 or more. They have a bunch of different devices on there. They do have some Samsung stuff. They do have some Folds up there time to time. Their inventory is always changing, so make sure you check back. They have Apple stuff, all that kind of stuff. And when you use that link, it does support the channel. But I really love the form factor. I love the squared off edges. I love how it feels in the hand. The hinge is so much thinner these days than it was on the past versions. And I think not only does it look great, I just think this is honestly super nice looking, but it feels great in the hand, especially when you're using it closed. And I like that this phone now has a lot of the features that my S24 Ultra had, so I don't feel like I have to miss that phone as much. Like the always on display with the wallpaper still there. It's kind of hard to see this one because I have the black wallpaper, but there is the wallpaper right there, because it's that wallpaper right there. But very nice. Has a lot of the features my S24 Ultra had, so I don't have to feel like I missed that phone as much. The only thing that I still wish the Fold would do would be to put the S Pen in the phone, because I have to use the case if I want to carry the S Pen. This is just the regular Samsung case, but if they could just put it right here, something like that, even if they had to make that a little bit thinner, it would be honestly really nice. Because this phone feels too good to have a case on it. That's why when I don't want to use my S Pen, or when I'm at home and the S Pen's kind of just chilling right here in the case somewhere, I take the case off and I just use the phone as is. But I like using the S Pen on the inner screen. It's very helpful for doing some different things. So if I go out and about, I do like to carry it time to time, so I have to put that case on. Other than that though, that's really the only complaint I have about this phone. The screen is really good. I haven't had any quality issues with the inner display or anything like that. I just have the regular stock screen protector on there. As you can see, it's very fingerprinted up, but just the regular stock screen protector on there. Hinge is very smooth, all that kind of stuff that you would expect. Nothing after 2 months, no issues or anything like that. I just put this is the Samsung anti-reflective screen protector on there. Same style that I was using on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Really like that screen protector because it does actually reduce glare. I mean, if I point it right at my light above my monitor, you can see it, but it's not as reflective as just the standard glass screen protectors, and it keeps that anti-reflective property that the screen has. Like I said, just the same as the S24 Ultra. So if you guys have any questions about this phone, or if there's anything you want to see on this phone, obviously we're still waiting on One UI 7. Hopefully the beta comes out a little bit sooner for this than it usually does, because we've been waiting so long nowadays anyway. But I can't wait to try One UI 7 out on this phone. So I definitely do plan on keeping this in the long run. This is the phone that my SIM card is in right now. It is my daily driver. The iPhone battery life is kind of sucky right now on the beta. So I have been using this Z Fold 6 as my daily driver. So like I said, if you guys have any questions, or if there's any accessories or any apps or customizations that you want to see me try out or show, let me know down in the comments. And like I said, check those links in the description. They do support the channel. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.